can't help but look. See how it...
What's going on, you guys? Alex here with Elevation Off-Grid. This past weekend, we had the pleasure of delivering our very first ever 2023 F-550 Limitless to a client who's going to be taking full advantage of the nearly 10,000 pound payload to support his new Host Mammoth camper while also pulling his 27-foot boat. Our Limitless package maintains the standard rear wheel dually setup while also adding a factory spec 8-foot interior pickup bed with full liquid spring suspension all around. Check it out.
Hey, guess what, Jeremy? Guess who's here? The Kimps are here.
How you doing?
Yeah.
How are you?
Very well. Nice to meet you. Hi. Nice to meet you, man.
Let's get it right now. Yeah, it'll take about an hour. But like it's only a 3-minute walk to the pickup that's in the parking lot, so it's right out here. Let's go see it. Yeah. We're just joking.
Oh, you guys.
Do you guys want a cold water, maybe?
Let's go see it.
All right.
Yeah.
Checked out the rigs. And
Very cool. That's awesome.
you've been pretty busy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I see.
She is.
That's him.
Wow. Very nice. Wow. I like it.
You like it?
Love it. Is that normal ride height right there?
It's normal. Yeah. Normal.
There it is.
Yeah.
Liquid
Liquid spring.
Yeah. How did you bring them all? Deal with this.
So these are your camper tie downs.
Body man, I can't help but look. Let's see how they extended it.
That's the whole point. You can never tell.
That's what I want, man. That's what I want. Yeah.
Factory spec.
You like it? Yeah. Oh, look at that. The seats on the 23s are awesome. You have 2 sets of LEDs. One on the right that says height, one on the left that says ride. So right now the one on the left says you're in comfort mode, which is going to give you the most cushion in your strut.
Now, if you're going to come out of a gas station towing, should I put it on high?
If you press up one more time, so that's M high, that will lift the rear of the truck, but not the front. That is the setting which you would do to pull up that tongue of the trailer, M high. And as soon as the lights start flashing and it becomes solid, you know you're good. You're gonna forget things we talked about. Don't hesitate to call me. You don't have to go schedule a call. Like, you're a customer. Like, just go call me, text me.
This is going to be awesome. Put that camper on and towing our boat.
Love it.
Yeah, my cousin just called me up in Washington, Puget Sound, and wants me to get up there and get fishing with him.
Love it.
I'm picking my truck up Saturday.
Love it. I'm so excited for you guys.
Thank you again.
My pleasure.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, man.
Thank you.
All right, you guys have a good one. Let me know if
Good
you have
to
any
meet you.
questions.
Yeah, you as well.
Recommend you. I know we're gonna get lots of.
I know, we're going to get a lot of...
Oh, you definitely will.
Thanks for tuning in, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe. Don't forget to turn notifications on so you keep up to date with all the new videos we have coming out. We'll catch you on the next one.